19th day of the series 30 days challenge, and today's question is talk about the social issues in English. Well, there are multiple social issues in the world, but today I'm going to talk about one of social issue is education system. Well, the education system helps us learn. It includes schools, teachers and students. In school, we learn many things like math, science, English, multiple subjects. Teachers teach us and helps us understand, but not all the schools are the same. Some have better teachers and resources, but this is not a good thing. Every child should have a good knowledge. School should be very clean, safe and have a good books that teach us about the life. Education is very important for our lives. It helps us to get new job and make a difference in the world. So let's work together to make our education system better for everyone.